Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure HubSpot CRM for pipeline stages and deals, full guide step by step clearly.
Log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard. In the top menu, select Deals. On the Deals page, locate the Pipeline dropdown. Click on Pipeline to view your current pipelines. To edit an existing pipeline, select Edit Pipelines.
To create a new pipeline, click on Create Pipeline.
Enter a name for your new pipeline in the prompt. Define the stages of your pipeline by entering stage names.
For each stage, specify criteria, such as deal probability.
Drag and drop stages to rearrange their order if needed.
Click Save to finalize your pipeline configuration.
To configure deal properties, go back to the Deals settings. Select Properties under the Settings menu.
Here, you can add or edit properties relevant to your deals. Create custom properties by clicking Add Property. Define the property type, such as text or dropdown, and fill in necessary details. Make sure to define which properties are required for passing through the pipeline stages.
After configuring properties, navigate back to the Deals page. You can create a new deal by clicking the Create Deal button.
Fill in the deal information and assign it to the appropriate pipeline and stage.
Review the deal details for accuracy.
Click Save to add the deal to your selected pipeline.
Monitor your pipeline by checking the visual representation of your deal flow.
Regularly update deal stages as they progress through your pipeline.
Utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to analyze your pipeline performance.
Adjust your pipelines and stages as necessary based on performance insights. Ensure your team is trained on the pipeline processes for consistency. Regularly review and refine your settings to adapt to your business needs. Congratulations, you've successfully configured HubSpot CRM for your pipeline stages and deals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.